Now, Vizag, Tirupati, and Vijayawada will be world-class mega cities. That's the promises which are coming out of the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister. The promises that they will get metro rail connectivity and much international airport, as well as other developments, including smaller airports and a lot more. All of this building up, of course, to the announcement of the capital, which will apparently be announced later today, and it will be in the Vijayawada region. That is a confirmation which is coming out now. Let's go over to Uma Sudhir, who joins us now for more on this story. Uma, there's a lot of talk going on about development of the Vijayawada region, as well as the announcement of a capital in the Vijayawada region, but this is not yet a unanimous decision. There seems to be a certain conflict coming there, particularly from the YSR Congress, who are demanding a discussion on it. Tell us more.
Kajuri, despite all the protests from the YSR Congress MLAs on the floor of the House demanding a discussion on the Sivaramakrishnan committee that was set up to recommend options for a capital city for the state of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu has gone ahead and read this 20-page statement and announced that Vijayawada region will be the new capital location for Andhra Pradesh. He has said that he is going to make that into a world-class capital city. He has said that the central government has promised all possible aid for building this super capital, and also that he is consulting leading urban development professionals to conceptualize, design, plan and build this new city. Of course, the Sivaramakrishnan committee report had said that the Guntur-Vijayawada belt may not really be suitable for building a new capital because of land not being available and because of land prices being very, very high in that region. In fact, ground reports and our sources there are telling us that land that used to cost about one acre would cost about 10 lakh rupees was now costing 2 to 3 crore rupees, and near the highways it was costing as much as 10 crore rupees. And in fact, that is the basis of the allegations against Chandrababu Naidu by YSR Congress leaders and Jagan Mohan Reddy, saying that several senior TDP leaders and people who had in fact financed the election of Chandrababu Naidu, they say, had bought land in and around the Vijayawada Guntur region, and they say that's the reason why Chandrababu Naidu has gone ahead and announced the area around Vijayawada as the new capital. Right. Under pressure from real estate is what they say. The state government, of course, is saying that Vijayawada is central, will be accessible to all people. While that will be the capital, he's talking about decentralized development and saying that he is going to develop 3 mega cities, which is Vijayawada, Vizag and also Tirupati as mega cities, and 14 smart cities. Kajuri?